Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Pranjal and let's do some solid-faced figures for elementary and intermediate. So let's start by drawing a straight line. So today we're going to draw a side-faced figure, and this is a part of the drawing that is very necessary in the elementary as well as intermediate. So we'll draw an oval at the top part of this line, which would represent its head in the rough figure. Then going down, we'll do some markings. This would be the marking of the neck, then the shoulder, then the upper body, and then the legs, just like this. This would be his pants, and then as we can see the side by figure, we have this is going to be his leg. This is exactly the rough sketch that we need, right? So this would be his leg. So this is it, and this is the second leg. The second leg would be a bit small as he's running and one foot is behind him as compared to the forward one. So now let's go towards the hand. We would draw hand by a rough sketch only. So this is very necessary. This rough sketching is very important as it brings an idea to our mind of how proportions would be correct, of how the hand should really be and how it should not. So now we'll complete this. Now let's start drawing the hand, and this line you're going to make up equal parts to symbolize the hand structure. Remember that the hand is a bit thick at the upper area and thin at the where we find our hands. To make sure you make them in proportion like this. So I will be making some other videos based on specifically focusing on the how to draw hands and how to draw legs. This would help you understand the simple components of a figure drawing, and they will come out soon. But for now, just give a patient look to what I'm drawing. And now this is the part where I'm starting to draw a fair figure. I'm getting out of the rough. Even though I'm drawing these lines, I am focusing more on adding a bit of details one by one. So this is now we'll draw a shirt. So remember that the shirt should look somewhat different from the body. It should come out, and so should the pant come out from the leg. Obviously it would come out when we would color it. All the legs. Now let's start drawing the face. So I have already made a video of how to draw a side face. So you'll see that video link in the description below. So go check out that before making this figure. Okay, because I've given them step-by-step process there. And yet you can have a look here how I make each line precisely. Okay, and how they're so smooth and not intense. Yes, they're very extra lines, and that would really make it difficult for you to understand, but just try to understand and do watch this video till the end, as I'm going to give important tips at the end. Then the eyebrows, and then the eye. I really want you to understand that do not compare your drawing with mine. If that is your first drawing, understand that it will improve because you have to draw 3 or 4 of this figure, this same figure, to make it really good. So I want you to practice and understand that practicing a figure makes it perfect. Okay? But just don't copy it from a book. Understand it proportion by proportion. Think about it, and only then are you supposed to draw a figure, because it's memory drawing. The figure has to come from your memory, right? Here we have with this drawing completed. Do like, share, subscribe my video and channel. Thank you.